Let's try it. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I told my dad have a rest and I'm gonna make a recipe. Today I'm going to make brownies. So let's start. First we will take 140 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, mix it well. Add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now mix very well. Keep mixing. Add 110 grams of melted milk chocolate. We add all our chocolate, now we will mix it very well. Keep mixing, mixing and mixing. Only you need to do mixing. 100 grams of flour. 25 grams of cocoa powder. A pinch of salt. Mix, mix, mix. Keep mixing. Well done guys, you're doing very good. Put 175 grams of chocolate chips. Mix, mix and mix. Keep mixing. It should be like this. I can't wait to eat it. Put in the baking tray. Be careful. Put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. We took out our brownie from the oven. Let it cool down. See you soon, guys. It's cold now. I took it out of the tray. Now we will cut it. Now we have cut it. It looks super delicious. Can't wait to eat it. Let's try it. If you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel and see you again. Allah Hafiz.